welcome to another episode of Keep It Reet, and we're in the huge time crunch for world time. We got the 2JZ Wagz just off the dyno, made 600 kilowatt. We've got the 34 also just off the dyno with its fresh rod, both with Turbosmart turbos. It's making 570 real kilowatt, both super spicy, ready to blaze this weekend. Now we've still got a lot to do, but we're feeling good about it. The wagon came off the dyno with no major issues, so we just need to dial in how it's feeling, the suspension, the toe, the Ackerman settings, the diff gears. That's pretty much it for that. So we've got a whole bunch of different tyres here ready to test. We've got the Super Sports, so like the entry-level semi. We've got the Zestinos in a 285, big chunky boys. We've got Zestinos on the back right now. Two different types of treadwears, and then the Game On tyres, the 265 Tri-Ace R1 160 treadwear. So these things are what I used for High Tech, well, Time Attack and D1NZ, and they are the equivalent of a Valino 08R. Look at how soft they are. They're like super soft. Jimbo's going to clean her up, warm her up. We're going to take the 34 out first, and then Jesse's come down to give us a chop out the passenger seat in, the harnesses, because this thing is still in the build. We're only just basically got trims and thing painted. A couple of things have still got interior trims to do, and then livery tomorrow. So we're under the crunch. It is now Monday, and tomorrow is livery day, Tuesday, and then we're literally heading to Sydney on Wednesday. So we've got no real time for any dramas. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't, make sure you smack that like and subscribe. And if you're coming to Sydney, make sure you come up and support by getting some of the fresh merch that we'll have on sale with the new 2JZ Wagz hoodies. Are probably some of my favorites, so make sure you come check them out and support Keep It Reet. Got to give a huge shout out to Calder Park for looking after us for today's testing. We've got a few hour window here on the Monday. Huge appreciation. We've obviously got a really good relationship with Calder, basically being the track that got Keep It Reet kicked off early days 6 years ago. Great to deal with from the start, and they're basically keeping drifting alive in Victoria. Huge shout out to them. So let's get into doing some testing. Jesse's just checking over the wagon. We've got the driver harnesses in, passenger seat got to go in. He's just going to warm her all up, warm the diff up, warm the gearbox up. While he's doing that, we're going to jump in the 34, and Jimbo's won't shut up about his 3-day engine build.
Watch this, Jay.
And how much power
you're not going to want to get out of it, mate.
True. So a quick rundown. It's got fresh Nitto rods that Jimbo slapped in there. And so now it's got the Nitto rods and pistons fully built with the 6.2 Turbosmart turbs, looking beautiful. Tuned by Trent. How much torque? It made
932 Newton meters of torque.
So just under the torque levels of that, and it made 570 kilowatt. The main thing I'm worried about is the diff. So it's still got the stock R200. It's got the dog box built motor. Everything else is good. Shockwork suspension. This car loves it. But yeah, 265 Super Sports on 20 psi. We'll see what she does. But she's got more than enough power. The idea is she's a backup for World Time Attack if we have those first car issues and dramas, or even just some Kang passenger laps, because the tyres will last longer on this compared to the wagon. So anyway, let's talk and let's get out. Now let's get it.
Feels very linear.
Yeah, very linear.
Alright, straight to 32. Oh. Spicy!
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, ho, ho. Like a freight train, Gary.
That extra RPM is fine.
Oh, it just pulls and pulls and pulls.
it's comfortably spinning the 265 Super Sports on 20 psi. I reckon we need to crank the pressure down and really hook it up, but give it a bit more. RPM is a game changer. It's quite linear the way it cuts on power. 32 psi is hectic, but definitely chews through those tires on I had them on 20 psi, so dropped them down to 16, letting it cool down a bit. It was warming up. It got to 100 pretty quick in those 2 laps. Yeah, now warming up the diff. Time to get in the wagon. I'm nervous, but we've got the GoPro set up. Come for the ride with me. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it. V3 Wagz, 2J Wagz, baby. I think we lost oil pressure. Could be the belt might have fallen off. Did we lose the belt? Just dropped to like 20.0, don't know.
So glad I caught that, and glad I didn't drift, but it seems like, yeah, potentially we might have lost the, what do you call it? It's like a half moon locating, wood rough key thing on the dry sump pumps. Don't know how, but we'll get it back and see what we can do, and don't know. Bit of a hard one, because I don't know if it's lost the wood rough key. Alright, got the boys. We're doing a quick track sweep. Super unlikely we're gonna find a super small little piece of metal, but I know what they're searching for. Jassie's on the creation of a new one with the angle grinder. Not ideal, but I'll definitely be keeping an eye on that. Oil pressure. I've got Ross on the job, yeah, bringing me some new ones. I think it's only a few days, more time to take anyway, but we need some testing. All right, so no luck finding anything, but Jassie's made his custom Allen key wood rough. Yeah, not bad. She's in there. She's in there tight, full length as well, so it shouldn't come out. The steering feels crazy, like twitchy, which is okay. The car's on full soft now as well, which Jessie thinks it looks quite boaty from the outside, but I'll see how it actually drives. I checked everything on the front. Haven't really done any drifting yet anyway, so play with the handbrake a little bit because it lifts up a little bit too high. That's about it right now. I just need to get out there and test. We're running out of time. We've only got another hour and a half, I think, of potential testing, so if we have to adjust, mainly probably Ackerman, it'd be great to be able to know where we're at. So let's get it together and get back out.
Belt came off. She's eating, it's a little bit soft, so it's a little bit delayed on the, like, wanting to transition. Power's mint. Clutch feels a little bit funny. I don't know if it's just bedding in and need to adjust the pedal a little bit. Yeah, I don't have that confidence in it yet. Yeah, bang gears, buttery as shat.
Just teething issues, I think.
Yeah, so throwing belts is freaking annoying. I don't know, did it throw the oil belt off too?
Yeah, so the power steering belt jumped off and pulled the oil belt off with it, so.
That was my worry.
Yeah, yep. So we've also taken out a coolant hose. So we're going to have to go to the drawing board on this one.
Tow it back.
We're going to have to tow her back.
The boys are filling up coolant at the Wagz after it pulled off the hose. The belt ripped off a hose. I don't know if he's changed the length of the belt. I feel like we need like a tensioner stopper or locker or something, but yeah, gonna get into 34. Just drop pressure a little bit as well. We've only got about 40 minutes remaining, 30 minutes remaining, so gonna get on track and blaze it, give her some hell, make sure this is good to go, then park her up and then back in the wagon.
Angry boy.
Alright, 34. One lap, absolutely rips. It takes a while to heat up the oil in this thing, so she did mint. Power steering pump is, I don't know, the pump's fine, just a line pump, so easy enough fix. She's good to go, confident. Let's get back in the wagon, and there's not much time left, so let's see what we can squeeze out of it. So stay off Limmy because the belt's moving around. That's about it. We've got the grippy boys on, kill mode. I've stiffened it up a little bit too. Couldn't tell. Just gonna cool those brakes down, they're smoking.
No time.
How'd it feel? Looks alright. Yeah, it's doing it.
So you're on off the Reet today.
Go pull the brakes down, you're gonna see the calipers. Alright, she was getting a bit spicy then. I got the off-throttle anti-lag going. It holds for days, it holds forever, that off-throttle anti-lag. It doesn't switch off like the barrel Wagz. I think you can set like, you can have it like so it only sits on for like a few seconds or whatever. I don't know if you set the timer. But yeah, we got a bit of a DB. The tyres were gone ski anyway, but Yeah, the grippy mummers are grippy mummers. It definitely exaggerates the suspension, and it's definitely too soft. I want to stiffen it right up, maybe get rid of the helper springs on the front. Pretty happy with the Ackerman. Probably wouldn't change it going to a fast track versus this tighter track. So fast track, stiffen up the front, maybe do something with the dampers. I'll speak to Shockworks Marcus, but steering, everything else is doing what it should. It's super twitchy, feels nice. Power's spicy, almost down low, has a little bit too much spice, which is really touchy. Rear brakes locking on, it's just a drama. I need to figure out this handbrake. Honestly, it's probably too far back, the whole setup, and yeah, need to get rid of the play in that. And she's cooked that one. Yeah, so I think she was holding on, so I need to figure out that. It's not the handbrake one, I think it's the actual foot brake one. All right. And what else? I don't know. Yeah, definitely need to figure out this belt's spinning issue. It did it again right at the end there. Yeah, so I'm not sure what the fix is with that. I've been hearing a lot about people spitting belts on 2Js. I feel like this tensioner just needs to be like a lock-in position style tensioner. Delete the internals. Don't know, but we'll figure out something.
Do some mechanical tensioners.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Yeah. The barrel Wagz is one thing that just works mint. It's just like a little tensioner that you just lock off, and it just holds it solid. There's no reason for it to move. Everything's mint. Like I don't know why you need any like play, or don't know. It's just for the quick swap belt. Yeah. Anyway, we'll figure out something there. Yeah, she's fast. She does it. Does all the things it should. Can't think what else. Like, you know, it was when the belt was on there, it was playing nice. Coolant temps were mint. Oil temps, oil pressure.
It's fast. It's real fast.
Looks fast?
It's fast.
It was good that last big snap to on power.
It's not fast, man. It's fast guys.
Does it sound good on the outside? Yeah. All I hear is whines and... Yeesh. Alright, well not bad for a first test.
Couple refinements need to be made in a little time.
Yes. You're towing it back to your shop or what? You thought you got away with the late night. And alright, and tomorrow livery time. It's our last day, so a few little things, interior, livery, fix those issues best we can. We've got to put vents and yeah. We'll be right back. I reckon the next time you're going to see it will be at World Time Attack. All done. I'm not going to film the process of tomorrow because I think it'll be cool to just drop it. So make sure you smack a subscribe if you're not already, so you can see this thing absolutely cooking at World Time Attack, and the spicy drop with the full kit, side skirts and livery that I've designed for a while with street style printing. He's helped me with the liveries on the other cars. Very excited. Also should note 34 is good, so we've got a nice backup even if we still have issues. So let's pack her up, boys, and we'll see you at World Time Attack.